Hello friends, let's get inside. Oh dear, but your home is empty. Yes, I wish I could have all those stuffs in my home. Don't worry, I have this magic stick and I can help you. Oh really? Thank you. Abracadabra. Choo. Oh wow, thank you very much. I like all these stuffs. Wow, yay! Wow. But can you do me a one more favor, please? Yes, of course. What do you want? Come with me. Can you bring these stuffs also? Oh, sure. First, let me get my magic stick. Abracadabra. Choo! Wow, thank you very much. I like those stuffs a lot. Wow, I got so many stuffs. Can you help me to arrange them in my house? Okay, yeah, sure. Let's go. It will be fun. Let's start decorating with the bathroom. Here we can put our bathroom stuffs. Here we have a bathtub. Here we have a shower, and from here we can control our shower. So let's put our bathtub here. And here we have a sink with a mirror and a tap. Let's put it right here. And next we need an organizing table. Here we have this tray. We can put this tray here so we can keep our stuff there. Wow, here we have a cute little ducky toy. Let's put it here on the bathtub tray. This is a brush, help us to take a bath. So let's put this brush here. And of course, we also need a shampoo and a body wash to take a bath. So let's put them here on the organizing table. Here we also have a tiny soap and a soap holder. Let's put this soap here in the soap holder and let's keep them here on the organizing table. Yay! Great job! What do we need next? Can you guess? Yes, of course, we need a towel. Here we go. Here we have a towel. Let's put it right here under our shampoo and soap. Yay! Great job, kids! Helping our doll to organize her bathroom. Let's go downstairs and organize her kitchen. Oh yeah, it's so much fun. Let's go. Here in this corner of the house, we can organize her kitchen. So let's go. Here we have a sink rack. You can open these doors and you can store your stuffs here. Let's put the sink here. And here we have a gas stove and an oven underneath. We can cook yummy food here. So let's put it right here. Here we have a tiny pot to cook some yummy food. Let's put this tiny pot here on the gas stove. And here we have a cute frying pan. Let's put this frying pan on the gas stove to make some yummy egg omelets. Here we have a spatula. Let's put it right there. And one more spatula which we can use to stir. This one is a spare one, so we can keep it here in our storage rack like this. Here we have two plates. We can put them over the sink right there. And here we also have a chopping board and a knife. We can keep them near the sink right here. Oh wow! Our kitchen is also ready. Here we have a pretty pink dining table. We can keep our dining table here. near the kitchen area. And here we have 2 plates. And we also have 2 tiny cups. Let's put them on the plate. Let's put them on the plate. And here we have a big mug to drink milk. Oh wow, I like drinking milk. Yay! Wow, your dollhouse is all ready. It looks so nice. Oh, but I need to go to toilet. Where did you put the toilet seat? I need to go to the toilet. Oh, sorry, I forgot to put the toilet seat. Let me help you. Ding, 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 ding. Yay! Here is your toilet seat, and you can open and sit here and go poop. And here we also have a brush to clean our toilet. Yay! We should keep our toilet clean. Can you help me? Where should I put this toilet? Maybe under the stairs? Yeah, it sounds good. Let's put this toilet under the stairs over there. Hey doll, you can go pee. Okay, thank you. I'm gonna flush the toilet. Well done, doll, well done. Now I'm going to take a bath. Thank you, friends, for organizing my home. Now I'm going to take a shower. See you next time. Bye-bye. Wait. But don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye-bye.